Whoosh, pepe. It's Pepe News. Board coup d'etat masterminds feeling anxious for another coup. This is Max Souzier reporting. Having nothing to do, the masterminds behind Haiti's recent coup d'etat said they are becoming increasingly anxious for another coup. Quote, "It's been 6 long years," said Ronald Silva, leader of the Coalition to Overthrow and Unseat Presidents, or COUP. "We are itching to overthrow someone." While the group admits the economically devastated nation is too fragile at the moment, members say they are dying to sponsor a coup d'etat before long. "We are enormously torn, to say the least. On one hand, a coup d'etat may generate further political instability in Haiti. On the other hand, we are so incredibly bored." Ronald said the organization has spent the past 6 years designing ways to topple governments and is now ready to put the plans in motion. Since 2004, our members have been working really hard to devise countless strategies to depose a president and replace him with an official who shares our interests. They deserve to see their ideas come to fruition. Haiti's presidential candidates warned that any attempt to remove an incoming administration will undermine the nation's recovery. "I understand the members are having a really hard time being bored. I really do. My heart goes out to them," said presidential hopeful Jacques-Edouard Alexis. But now is not the time. They should wait until the country is fully recovered. Though Ronald is aware of Jacques-Edouard's suggestion, he said he is also concerned about his members' morale and enthusiasm. "For the past 3 years, I've been telling our members, next year we'll organize a coup d'etat. Next year we'll seize power. You know, to keep them excited. I can't let them down. Doing nothing is totally killing us." This is Max Souzier for Pepe News Network.